Nala.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
Let's do a funny one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I don't think he wants it.
Happy, that's not normal. I just died. And you're helping me.
Aurora? I'm sorry.
You shattered my candle, dude. You just smashed it. Woof! Don't you woof me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Oh.
No bite.
Not me. Park?
You are fine.